Configuring Lync front end on vserv3, stage 9. Here's how to create a new user using the EMC. So from vserv2 we're going to mailbox under recipient configuration and saying new mailbox. Click next. New user, next. Populate all the information. We're going to make a user kevin.morin. Click next. Click next. Click next. And new. Click finish. Now go to your browser on vserv2 or on vserv3 and pull up the Lync control panel. Say users. Enable users. Add. Do a find. Pick kevin.morin. Assign to a pool. Scroll down. Enable enterprise voice. Specify tel : and then the phone number. This is the shared phone number, which is the same one that administrator had. And specify semicolon ext equals 802. The rest of the options can be left the way they are, and click enable. Now go back to Exchange and say enable unified messaging. Click browse, default plan, click next, type in 802, click next, and click enable. Click finish. At this point, a phone call to 650-425-6807 with extension 802 will ring to kevin.morin's voicemail box. Note that we did a translation in Lync in our dial plan to convert the number that ends in 6807 to forward to 6811. It does that by taking 6811 on inbound calls, dropping the 6811 and changing it to 6807. The effect that's created is that when an outbound caller from Lync dials, their caller ID will show up as 6811, and when somebody calls back that number, they get forwarded to the auto attendant. Remember, that's what's being handled by the Lync dial plan. That dial plan's over here under voice routing, dial plans, and it's this rule here. And so it says numbers that have 6811, so 650-425-6811, get switched to 6807, which is the auto attendant. So if you dial 6811 from the outside or 6807, they're both going to take you to the auto attendant.